Well, quick one. Kumasi Asante Kotoko decided to cancel or more scheduled pre-season in Europe. No, say no confirmation and as a reporter ever and they say Kotoko in nature South Africa. Yes, and all is going to be financed by the team owner, the life patron of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Utumfo or say to Abebio or no any Kotoko Eko South Africa. Now South Africa it was a choice and Yatuma Kotoko and Kotoko decided say omo be choose South Africa to go do the pre-season details and more. Nina Hamede bro it was Super 24 TV no. So apparently in Chemuka Crab in Saka say Kumasi Asante Kotoko a resume to say a kind of 28th of July. Now pre-season you know ever share 28th of July. It's 28th of July no Kotoko ever share pre-season campaign I say Ghana Ghana here. Yes, now Oshasya you next month more 15th of August no na Kotoko edinani actually South Africa for the pre-season and no I understand say utumfo say tutu and etoma Kotoko say omunchu between South Africa and some other country and mpanyifo say no many players decided say South Africa no pre-season ahead of the 2024-2025 Premier League season and as a football season you know pre-season you know South Africa na I shall see 15th yeah yes and only confirmation mensa account from that into 28 Kotoko by 28 no na players be a was a Kotoko sign no or must sign omo let's say team no enya the full structure no so far foreign players ne aka morefin donzo nko any some local guys are Kotoko de beso so ama team no enya the full shape or per 26-man team obeyi be from the youth team no the beso so now existing ones no so any new players no Kotoko 10 to 11 players at least na was sign omo say you know Kotoko confirm 6 akabe at least 6 and as 5 be now because Makasa Kotoko be sign be 11 or 12 players and only information mensa kanti European tour there for now I cancel now my news kakra on Coast City Cup because we Nigeria still na date near 1st to 10th August. And what it means they say all things being equal no there. O her time in dates na about one say na Kotoko bit ma ko Coast City Cup no because e shall say 1st of August to 10th of August. Now Kotoko across South Africa the 15th of August. And only information mensa kan say I don't pay me chatum super